It's me.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, welcome to my first ever video on this channel. Igama lam ndinguyonda. So guys, namhlanje I woke up and decided bana yazi indoni, let me vlog, because I've been procrastinating to post on my channel since Ndandienzile. I think I did this channel last year around April. So ever since then, I've been like procrastinating. Like, okay, today I'm gonna shoot a vlog, but the number, oh, okay, no, I don't like this video. Can you know, I look awkward in this video, so depending I post. But today, okay, I have confidence in this video. And yes, guys, but okay, you guys are going to judge me. Drop down a comment. But how did I do in a scale of 1 to 10? Because mostly it's gonna be like my first time doing everything, editing, posting, you know. Yeah, so today, guys, in this a vlog. It's gonna be a vlog. The channel basically is going to be more on is going to focus more on vlogs, story times, beauty and lifestyle. Those are the 4 main things that it's going to be about. So namhlanje I'm doing a vlog, guys. I'm doing a vlog for y'all because why not? I'm going to a Vincent Mall to fit any ilokwe that I want to wear on my birthday thingy. So I just hope that I just pray and hope that and then after that I think because yo guys I'm going like the whole day and the whole day, so I think it is then after that tata TV, like a TV screen for my presentation tomorrow. I need to land for an introduction. So I told I told my colleague to drop the thingy to the security at my res. So I'm going to go there and collect it, obviously when I'm going home, because and this has been serious with a TV screen. Never. So guys, without boring you long intros, this is even my first video channel. Let me show you guys my outfit so that this one I'm wearing this, and then okay, let me fix this. I'm wearing this dress from Shein. It's not a dress actually, it's a 2-piece. And then I'll be holding this bag from Sissy Boy. And I think they were running a sale, guys. Make sure that near a club website because they're be running a sale. And then I'm gonna wear these shades from Girl X Boy. Week from Queens gets an installation by Therapy by Y. Your guys, the installation I don't know, but then and that's the installation, but one thing I can tell you is that this is my first time planning installation. I'm so proud of myself. Bye guys, see you when I see you.
I've been thinking about
asingena namculo but mhlawumbe nje loo nto asizongena namculo ukuze ndisasebenzisa inani yena. At least siyabona uba kuhle.
As long as clean endaweni it's fine.
Hayi la clean le bayisebenzisa abibela.
Bangakubona. By 50.
Kodwa ibangala ngabonga ukuvela abantu abayifona.
Oh.
Okay. So
By 80.
by 8. Can I ask I think
This one is also nice. And this space alapha sikhulu ke kamnandi. Right.
le.
So mna nepool.
Yabona view yepool. Hayi la pool.
Ayo lapha.
Ngapha.
Icinga nepool. Security so to bana I hope especially because they roots.
Wabe? Kulama macho mune bridges brown.
Yeah, hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. So right now we're waiting for our friend Aleta. Ulahlekile guys, we don't know where she is, but guys, I'm with Usain. Say hi.
Hi guys.
Introduce yourself, Galuk.
My name is Lusemi and I am Yonda's friend, and we're just having food after paying the reservation from the place that we're gonna host her birthday. So yeah, we're just chilling, enjoying the afternoon. Yes.
That's about it. That is basically about it.
You want to phone me like this other time more. After I took his call, after I took his number, I didn't know till I see fine, to Saturday. After Saturday, like, okay, you know, so go Jola about but zange imlungele because la muntu wayejona.
watching until the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also be on the lookout for my next video. Think of doing a vlog October. And guys, please rate me in a scale of 1 to 10. Mandenze kanjani, like my first video. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you on the next one. Bye.